Okay, 5.2, operations with rational functions and excluded values. So simplifying rational expressions, hit pause if you need to look at this example. Multiplying and dividing. Remember, when we multiply and divide, our excluded values are going to be coming from our denominators. And your excluded values when you divide, remember you keep, change, flip. And they come from both denominators and the numerator of your second fraction. Okay? All right, so let's simplify this first one. So I have 18 over 32, x to the 4th over x to the 7th, y to the 9th over y squared, z over z to the 3rd. Okay, 18 and 32. I can divide these both by 2. 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. 32 divided by 2 is 16. I have 4 x's on top of 7 x's, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let's just check out what cancels. Okay, I'm left with x to the 3rd in the denominator. I could do the same thing with the y's, or I can use my shortcut. 2 y's in the denominator cancel with 2 y's in the top, leaving us with y to the 7th in the numerator. And then z over z to the 3rd. 1z cancels, leaving us with z squared in the denominator. The second example, a lot of factoring here. In my top, so let's go ahead and factor everything first. So here and here, I'm using factor sum. So this is x minus 6 times x minus 2. This denominator is x minus 2 times x minus 2. Up top, this is going to be GCF, so my GCF is 4 times x plus 4. And then down here, we're using dots. So this is going to be x minus 4 times x plus 4. Now go ahead and check out what cancels. So x plus 4, x plus 4, x minus 2, and x minus 2. So your final answer, 4 times x minus 6 over x minus 4 times x minus 2. You guys could distribute and double distribute to simplify. I'm just going to leave it like that for right now. And then excluded values. You're going to use your denominators. Ooh. So x minus 4 equals 0, x plus 4 0, and x minus equals 0. So x cannot equal 4, x cannot equal negative 4, x cannot equal 2. All right, and lastly, division, keep, change, flip. Let's factor, we can do that first. So I have 5x plus 5 over x minus 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x squared minus 1. So this is going to be 5 times x plus 1 over x minus 2 times x minus 2x plus 2 over x minus 1, x plus 1. So here I use dots. This was factor sum, and this was just GCF. All right, same thing, what cancels? X plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 2. Leaving us with 5 times x plus 2 over x minus 1. Excluded values this time come from both my denominators and this numerator, okay? So excluded values, x minus 2 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, and then x minus 2, but I have it already, and then x plus 2 equals 0. So here x can't equal 2, x can't equal 1, x can't equal -1, x can't equal -2. So here were my answers. And then your excluded values are obviously part of your answers as well.